Do you want to know how you can log into your John Hancock Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your John Hancock Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for John Hancock Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of John Hancock. Now, you can see login over here on the right hand side. If you click on it, it will take you to this point. Now what you need to do to log into your John Hancock Mutual Fund is click on I'm a financial professional. After you click on it, this login portal will open up. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box, your password associated with your John Hancock Investment Management in this box over here, and then you can check your password writing or clicking this box. After that, you can click login and then you can successfully log into your John Hancock Mutual Fund account. If you want to reset your password and have forgot your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. So there are other logins for account holders as well, so you can see DS Division over here. Click visit. It will take you to a separate portal. You can see you can log in using DS Division as well, so go ahead and write down your Vision ID, your paraphrase, and then click sign in so you can sign in with DS Division as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your John Hancock Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.